I'm supposed to meet my tour organizer. However, 7:04 na, wala pa rin. Wala ako sa list nila. I'm kinda scared. It's November 27. It's 7 a.m. and I'm supposed to meet my tour organizer here sa City Hall Subway Station Exit 6. Yan. For a DMZ tour. So DMZ tour tayo today. However, 7:04 na, wala pa rin sila. So I'm kinda scared. Meron na ditong mga other bus groups. Kanina may umalis na, pero wala ako sa list nila eh. Baka antok ko lang to, pero wala talaga yung pangalan ko. So, I'm waiting. Baka rin na traffic or late. Hi everyone, so update. It's 7:47 or around 7:50 na. And wala pa rin yung bus, yung tour group ko. Andito pa rin ako. Like, sa City Hall Subway Station 6. I never left. So, meron dito dumating na DMZ tour din. And I asked, akala ko kasi yun na yung tour ko. Hindi pa pala. So I asked, and then sabi niya, if 1 hour na rin ako naghihintay, 7:45 na, probably umalis na daw. Eh, nandito ako 6:45, sabi doon 7. Like, I was 15 minutes early. So, I'll wait until 8. Pag wala pa rin, I'll have to contact na the operator. And I'll have to either reschedule or refund this trip. I don't know. So, ayun. Isang oras na ako nakatayo sa lamig. Sige lang. I mean, like, sad, frustrating. Kakain muna ako, magkakape ako. Anyways, let's see what will happen. It's been an hour, it's exactly 8. I'm leaving. Like, at this point, wala na yon. So, kinontak ko na yung Klook because 8 o'clock pa sila nag-open yung helpline. Tapos, in-email ko naman actually kanina pa yung tour coordinator. Maghanap muna tayo ng cafe to eat because I'm hungry, it's cold, I want hot coffee. May nahanap tayo here from Naver app, Poor Papa, coffee and ice cream. Ice cream? So I am here in Poor Papa. I ordered condensed milk latte. What happened, what didn't happen. Iniisip ko anong pwede kong gawin ngayon. Definitely yung itinerary ko for tomorrow is for tomorrow. I want it to be sunny. Medyo maulan din kasi today. So mag-iisip ako ng itinerary na pwede sa maulan. Bahagang lang. So tuloy pa rin ang laban, tuloy ang life. We'll do whatever we can today. Masarap. Poor Papa here in City Hall. Update guys, so nakausap ko naman si operator through Klook. There was a mix-up daw in my pickup point. So baka sa ibang pickup location ako nalagay. Grabe, nandun talaga sa app. Nandun din sa voucher ko, sa receipt ko na dapat sa City Hall Subway Station ako. But, ayun nga, nag-sorry naman sila. Tapos, binigyan nila ako ng offer to still do it today and then upgraded to include the suspension bridge something. They can pick me up at 9 a.m. and then the tour will end at 6 p.m. Although, gusto ko sana na early siya matapos kasi hanggang 2 p.m. lang yung inalot ko for this. Pero sige, okay na rin. I asked kasi kung pwede i-reschedule to Monday next week. Pero, close pala, wala atang tours on Monday. So they were offering Tuesday and I cannot na kasi kailangan ko mag-check out and that night kasi yung flight ko pabalik. So sabi ko, sige, I'll proceed with today. They'll pick me up in 10 minutes. Magna-9 na rin kasi. So ayan, nandito na ulit tayo. Ayan, finally, nasa list na yung pangalan ko. Pupunta na tayo sa bus. That is the bus. Yeah. Sobrang lamig. So we're here at our first location. This is the suspension bridge. Wala to sa original kong Binook. It's a 10-minute hike papunta sa bridge. And maulan. Sobrang ulan. So, mas malamig. My lips are so dry. Maalog sobra. Oh my God, Lord. Ito na yung years of training sa LRT, MRT na maggalaw. So, wala kang hawakan. Ito na yon. You have to test your LRT, MRT balancing skills. Kanina, may group of girls na nagpapapicture. Kala namin magpapapicture lang, te, nag-jump shot sa suspension bridge. Naman, G. Like, what the hell? We're in the DMZ. Peace Park muna yung pupuntahan namin. Tapos, after the Peace Park, we're gonna go to the tunnel and then the observatory. Tapos, uwi na. I believe so. I just bought Korean money. Oh, specifically North Korean money. I bought the old money. Parang may vintage feel lang siya. I know I'm not gonna use it, but like for collecting, I can say na I'm an owner of North Korean money, which I will never use in the future. Hopefully. We're just gonna roam around. This is the railroad that connects South Korea to North Korea. Apparently, dito daw nagustuhan ni Pope Francis yung bread. So, bibili tayo ng isa. Pang lunch lang. Pang palipas ng gutom. The Pope Francis bread, for context, parang pumunta daw dito si Pope Francis and bought bread here. Kung saan yung Pope Francis bread ngayon. And nagustuhan niya daw ng sobra. Sabi niya, it tastes like heaven. Ewan ko, it's funny knowing that Pope Francis said that. So, na-intriga tuloy ako. Grabe, nakakapagod pala talaga mag-tunnel. Like, total of 1,000 meters ata yung nilakad namin back and forth. Tapos yung first part pa is mataas na slope. Nung sa second part, yun yung yuyuko ka talaga. Kasi maliit na lang yung space, yung area. After nun, sa dulo, parang may window lang doon, may hole where you can see North Korea. If nandoon ka sa part na yun, you are 170 meters away from North Korea's land. So, kitang-kita mo. Actually, nakita ko na siya, like, wow, amazing. Kasi yun, after mga 30 seconds, pabalik na rin agad. Bawal kasi tumambay kasi maliit na yung space. So, kailangan mo umalis na rin agad. You'll never be in a tunnel between South and North Korea again. So, nilasap-lasap ko lang talaga yung moment. Bahala na. Bagal-bagal ko dun maglakad. Pero carry lang. Sobrang ganda ng feeling na nakikita mo yung akalain mong hindi mo makikita in your life. Get to see the villages, the buildings, and the people. Yun yung pinaka nagulat ako and na-amaze ako kasi may nakita talaga mga villagers, like nagbabike sila, nagja-jog sila. So we're on the way now to Korean barbecue or Samgyu. First time ko na mag-Samgyu dito sa Korea. It's with strangers basically. I downloaded this app called Nomad Table. Makikita mo lahat ng mga activities nearby created by fellow travelers, ganun. Tapos, pwede ka mag-join sa mga activities nila and gagawa kayo ng group chat, tapos pag-uusapan nyo. Yeah. So, I joined this Korean barbecue night. So, umuwi muna ako after the tour and then freshened up. Tapos, magsasamgyup na tayo with strangers. Hopefully maging friends ko sila. And then I plan to go to Jongno after to have some drinks by myself siguro. This is day 3 of my South Korea vlog. It's basically day 4 already. It's November 28th, 12:30 a.m. and it's my birthday. May hiccups man sa simula, hindi man ako na-pick up, napunta man ako sa ibang tour, na-upgrade man ako. I'm glad that I've pushed through with the DMZ tour kasi isang option rin was to just forget about it. Like, papa-refund ko na lang. Pero yun, masaya ako na ginawa ko siya. Then, after that, I had dinner with strangers. Tapos, I made new friends. Friends from USA, half Filipino friend, from France, from Germany. Like, ang sarap na sa feeling na may kausap ka ulit during this solo trip. Ayun, nag-samgyup kami. Parang hindi siya samgyup like sa Pilipinas na only, but it was a Korean grill. And super sarap ng meat, like grabe. I really had fun talking to other people. After that, lumipat kami sa Jongno. Uminom lang kami dito sa parang Pojang matcha nila. We drank soju. We drank until 11:30, tas they had to go home. But ako, since malapit lang naman na yung Jongno to my area, I stayed pa rin. I walked around and looked for a bar. I went to Glove Bar. And ang ganda ng space, ang intimate, it's so gay. Everyone is gay. Tapos, not much people because it's a Thursday night. Pero, ang ganda ng vibes. The bartender was friendly, talked to me. Nag-recommend siya ng mga bars here in Jongno, in Itaewon. Binigay niya sa akin itong club, this club. Then, what time to go, what bus to ride. So, yun lang. I love today. It was very eventful. Very, very eventful. Ang dami nangyari. That's all for day 3. My solo birthday tour in South Korea. Also, super lamig. I think we're at 0 degrees right now. Like, patayin nyo na lang kaya ako.